Mmm. It's like drinking a strawberry pocky. Hi guys, ordered some spot prawns from BC and having my parents over. It is pretty nice out, so I am wearing this floral dress that I got from Shein. It is gonna be a really great dinner, so I will vlog what I can and so excited for food. Oh!
I can just do a big one.
No, it's fine. Oh!
Your big taste test.
Mmm.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Should we do more then?
Sashimi style?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that too much work for you?
No. Yeah, let's do more because we can make nigiri with it too.
Mm.
Yeah,
Huh?
let's do another 10.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, watch out. Oh, I can do it.
I'm less
Sure?
scared now.
Okay, if you say so.
I am back from travels. I basically have been gone for several weekends in a row, but I'm in Calgary. I am having dinner with some of my friends. We're trying Master Beef Hot Pot. And as you know, I enjoy hot pot at home all the time, so I rarely go out for hot pot. So I think this would be a really nice change, and I'm just catching up with some friends. So this is what I'm wearing. I just have like a skirt. Yes, this is a skirt. And then I have tank top and this sweater. Just something really cash. For bag, I have my Labubu. I also got this in Korea. It's my favorite noodles, instant noodles. So I had to get a keychain of that. But yeah, green Goyard today just for a pop of color. Hey guys, I am just chilling right now. Today is Thursday and I am going out. Girls' night. We are going to lounge. It's like Latin night. So yeah, that is why I'm a little bit dolled up right now. Yeah, basically feeling a little bit more glam. So, you know, I got my hair all glammed up. I'm wearing this one-piece romper. I have not worn it in a really long time, but I don't know why I stopped wearing it. I freaking love it. It's so comfy, but it's like very like flattering on the body. I will show you in an OOTD later. But yeah, I am gonna go there and I'll see what I can vlog. This is the fit. Just have this one piece romper, and then I got some beige block heels. Let's go. And for dinner, I'm at Kangwell Barbecue. This is probably my favorite Hong Kong style barbecue place in Calgary. It is in Sage Hill, so definitely a commute to get there, but highly recommend. It is Saturday. It is so rainy in Calgary. Like,
What are we in Vancouver?
this is not it. Absolutely hate the rain. Today's gonna be a mall day on our way to New Best. It's like a hand-pulled noodle place, I believe, and it's been open for like maybe a year. And it was definitely on my list, so we are gonna check that out right now. We just stopped at Sujeri's. We went shopping. It was very successful. I got the mango matcha latte.
No boyfriend.
Got the strawberry latte. I can't think anymore. Honestly, I really like this one because the mango is not as sweet as the strawberry. But if you're into a sweeter matcha drink, then I think the strawberry is a pretty good pick. Cheers. Okay, so it is a little bit later in the day. We went shopping earlier, had Sujeri's. Don't know why I don't go to Sujeri's more often because the matcha was quite nice. But yeah, on our way to dinner, going to Boole. And it's been a minute since I've been to Boole for dinner, so hopefully it's good. Honestly, had such a great dinner here with our friends. We tried a lot of new dishes that I haven't tried the last few times I've been here. Also, if you watch Culinary Class Wars, that this dish looks very familiar. This is the prawn dim sum. And to end the night, we went to Business and Pleasure. The cocktails were immaculate. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you in the next one.